Hey y'all, it's Machi. Just a heads up, if you go to the site below or in the bio, you can claim your first free service if you're in the Austin, Texas area, which can be dryer duct cleaning, water heater flush, or an hour of handyman work. Take advantage of our limited time offer of $510 in services for $300. It's 3 services for the price of 2, and if you were doing the math there, that's a free service at $300 and another free service just for going to letusdoyourstuff.com. So let us do your stuff.